Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Spumatic back at it with another video. In this one, I put the Vesul Rain Guards on. I bought them off of Amazon, less than 60 bucks. And my last video, check that if you haven't, was the AVS channel, which I had a bad experience. Couldn't get them to fit right. The window would not clear. And the installation was it was very hard. So these just come with 3M tape. They tape on to the outside of your window and have no clearance issues. Easy installation. A non-car person could easily install these, and I think they look great. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Spumatic Cars. I'm still on that road to 1K. Car reviews, how-to videos, racing videos, dyno videos, car shows, anything car related, and throwing in a splash of my powerlifting. Why not? Okay, thank you for watching. What's up YouTube? Spumatic back at it with another video. I'm doing an update to the rain guards. So we're gonna put these rain guards on. Already better packaging than the ABS. The ABS came on like a plastic cardboard and with plastic on top of it. These come in these nice little, I don't know what these are, dust bags. And we have 4 here. Oh, I didn't even see this. It looks like it comes with adhesive promoter to put on before we put on these. And let's take a look at them. So way better. They come with 3M tape, name brand tape, and we also have instructions. This one looks like a rear. I'm gonna check fitment, and it looks good. I think these are gonna work out pretty good. Make sure these surfaces are clean. I just gave the truck a wash. So this one looks like it's for the front. So I'm just gonna do a test fit. It's gonna come to right about here. Oh no. Okay. I wonder if these already looking more promising, because the other ones were in channel and they weren't fitting well at all. I tried several things and it did not work. Check my last video of the ABS in channel rain guards for the Nissan Murano. First you want to clean the surface, which I already did. So now we're gonna peel the corners of the tape and hang it onto the door frame. So I have it mounted with the sides of the 3M peeled, and they have these clips here where you just hang them on the door frame to help you mount it. I have those, the clips there. And now I'm going to peel the 3M tape off. And press firmly. So make sure you have this metal tab go underneath your mirror. Here, that's what I missed. But looks like it's sticking already. Let's go over it firmly with some good pressure. Already a way better installation than the AVSN channels. Okay. if it's a real cold day out, they do recommend a heat gun or a blow dryer, but it seems like it's sticking. About 50 degrees today, but the sun is shining directly on the car, so that is helping. So the surface of the car is hotter than 50 degrees, definitely. Maybe 67, 70 degrees, I can feel it. It's going over it firmly. I don't want it flying off on a highway. Now, next step, remove the plastics. I know on the newer cars you don't want to remove the plastics off the screen. That's a no-no, but gotta remove the plastics off these visors though. I don't know if that's will be a stunt or not. Probably be annoying in the wind. Okay. And it's cool, it comes with the chrome trim to match your factory chrome trim of the Nissan Murano. This is 2018. So I think that looks pretty good. Let's do the back. So these are for the back. I'm removing the red tape off of here and here, the corners, because those are going to be hard to get. We're just pressing firmly, you know, nice pressure, even pressure. And it's 3M, so they stick, I ain't gonna lie, they just stick pretty good. Like, it's a good brand of double-sided stick tape they're using, so that helps out. So that's the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Got the rain guards. So these work really good. And these were on Amazon, less than 60 bucks. This is the finished product. Fitment is pretty good, 9 out of 10. Installation is easy. Difficulty level out of a 10, maybe like a 3, the most. The most difficulty is separating the red tape from the 3M and just lining it up, and it sticks pretty good. Like I said, you want to make sure it's I think they recommend over 60 degrees, 65, but it's colder than that now, but we're in direct sunlight, so the surface of the car is definitely over 65. I would say it's warm to the touch and sticks on pretty good. If you're in colder weather, just use a heat gun or a hair dryer, but way easier than the ABS in channels, and they just stick to the outside of the car. Make sure your surface is clean. That's from the side, and doors closed, no problem. This is how they look from the inside, and that's the problem I was having with the doors closing and the windows going up and down with ABS. So the other problem I was having with the windows going up and down, as you can see, no issues, and no issues, no rubbing like the ABS end channels. Very easy installation. Easy installation. They fit great, and it's something anybody could do. You don't have to be a car person or a mechanic if you're looking for this look. highly recommend, and way better experience than the ABS-N channels. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe Spumatic Cars for more car content, car reviews, racing content, dyno videos, anything car related. And I'm throwing in a little bit of my powerlifting. So I got two addictions. The first one is cars, I ain't gonna lie, and the second one is just powerlifting, something I grew to love, and it's pretty much something you could do for free, benefit the body and the mind too. It helps me with stress. Yeah, stay tuned to the channel. More content coming. Thank you.